Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to discuss about the measurements. 8th standard measurement in exercise 2.2. Find the area of the shaded path. Find the area of the shaded part. The figure is also given. This is a semicircle. And triangle is given. We can find out the shaded part only. We can find out this part only, shaded part. The radius is given. The radius is 7 centimeter. This is a semicircle. First we can find out area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle equal to, by the formula, area of the circle, area of the whole circle, pi r squared. Here area of the semicircle of, therefore 1 by 2 into pi into r squared square unit. Area of the semicircle equal to half into pi into r squared square unit. Here already given pi equal to 22 by 7 centimeter. R equal to radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle, 7 centimeter. We can substitute the value 1 by 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into here R equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore R squared 7 into 7 equal to 2. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are 22, 1 into 7, 7, 1 into 7, 7, equal to, well, the denominator value is 2, the numerator value is 22, 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are 22, the denominator value is 7, the numerator value is 7, therefore cancel. Therefore 1 into 11 into 7, 7 11s are 77 centimeter. Now we can find out area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle equal to, this area, this is triangle. The radius is given. This is a base value. Radius is 7. Therefore, diameter equal to 2 times of radius. 7 plus 7, 14 centimeter. Therefore, area of the triangle formula, half into base into height square units. We can substitute half into, here base value is diameter of the circle, semicircle. Base value 14. Height value is radius of the circle 7. 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. Again 1 into 7, 7, 7 7s are 49 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded part equal to, area of the semicircle, the total area minus area of the triangle. Area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle equal to area of the semicircle equal to 77 centimeter square. area of the triangle equal to 49. 77, 49, subtraction 17. 17 minus 9 equal to 8. Here 6. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Equal to 28. 28 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded part equal to 28 centimeter square unit. First we can find out total area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. We can get the answer is area of the shaded part. That's all. Thank you.